Hari ingeso ukora buri munsi you think they are normal ariko mu by'ukuri they are slowly destroying your future. Ntabwo ari ibintu bigaragara ako kanya, ni ibintu bigenda bikurimbura buhoro buhoro. Today I will show you 5 habits zishobora kuba zikubuza kugera ku ntsinzi utabizi. Point 1. Gupfusha igihe ku bintu bidafite umumaro, wasting time. Ushobora kumara amasaha kuri phone, scrolling, watching nothing important. You feel busy but you are not productive. Igihe kiragenda nshuti, ariko ubuzima bwawe ntibuhinduka. Lesson. If you don't control your time will control your life. Fata control y'igihe cyawe. Point 2. Kwigereranya n'abandi, comparing yourself to others. Reba social media, everyone looks successful. Urebye ubuzima bw'abantu ukumva uri. But listen, you are comparing your reality to someone's highlight. Focus on your journey, not their results. Urugendo rwawe ni urwawe. Point 3. Gutinya gutangira, fear of starting. Ufite idea but you hesitate. Ufite inzozi but you wait. Fear whispers, wait if you fail, but what if you succeed? Fear kills more dreams than fear ever will. Tangira nubwo ufite ubwoba. Point 4. Gukunda ibyoroheje gusa, comfort zone. You choose comfort over growth. Uhitamo ibintu byoroshye buri gihe, but growth lives in discomfort. If it's always easy, you are not growing. Jya ahandi utari usanzwe, aho niho iterambere riri. The last point. Kutigirira icyizere, lack of self-belief. The most dangerous habit ni ukwibwira ko udashoboye. Iyo utize, you don't try. Iyo utagerageje, you don't grow. And if you don't grow, you stay where you are forever. The moment you believe in yourself, everything starts to change. Tangira kwizera wowe ubwawe. No one is stopping you except you. Kandi igihe cyose uzabimenya nibwo ubuzima bwawe buzatangira guhinduka. Niba hari imwe muri izi ngeso ubonyemo waba ufite, this is your wake up call. Subscribe for more videos that will transform your mindset. Kandi umbwire hasi, which habit are you going to change today? Thank you for watching.